Welcome to Max Odyssey. This is where everyday moments turn into real journeys. From the streets of Montreal, alive with festivals, winter nights, and hidden corners, to destinations across the world, beaches, resorts, cities, and cultures. No filters. No hype. Just real experiences, captured as they happen. Walk with me through vibrant neighborhoods, glowing night festivals, snowy winter scenes, and unforgettable travels. Feel the atmosphere. Hear the city. See the world as it truly is. Whether it's a 4K night walk, a festival vibe, or an honest travel experience, this channel is about being there, not just watching. If you love immersive travel, city life, and authentic moments, you're in the right place. This is Max Odyssey. One journey at a time. Subscribe and let's explore together.